দেখছি নেটওয়ার্ক। Good morning, students. Actually, due to network problem, the class started late. Okay. Class 6. Today I am going to revise the chapters. Remember chapter 1 and chapter 2. These two chapters will come in PT1. Okay. First chapter is you have got a mail. See, the chapter I am revising. Actually, you know, through the internet we can send emails or we can receive mails. But before sending mail or receiving mail, you have to create email account. First, see, Gmail or Google Mail is a free email service. Remember the lines provided by Google that enable you to send and receive mails over the internet. Okay, it is accessible from any web browser and provides a free storage of 15 GB. Remember, storage of 15 GB per account. You can access Gmail from the desktop, mobile and tablet. Some of the key features of Gmail. What are the features? First, it lets you apply various themes to your account. You can start a video chat from inbox. You can organize email in 3 tabs like primary, social and promotion. See, these are important. File more than 25 MB in size can be shared using Google Drive. That means you can send or receive 25 MB file with attachment. You can compose a new mail while accessing your inbox. You can also create a to-do list to task using Gmail. You can view attachment instantly. Creating Gmail account. How to create a Gmail account? These are the steps to log in your Gmail account. After creating Gmail account, you can log in your account with the help of your password and user ID. Next, the sending email. How to send the email? First, you have to open and then you can also send the new email. First button is compose button. You have to click on compose button at the upper left corner and the new message window will appear. To box, enter the email address to whom you want to send, and then subject box, you have to write the subject and enter the message and then send button, click. You can send the same email to so many people using CC or BCC. CC full form is carbon copy and BCC full form is blind carbon copy. Remember all these important words because this time the question will be objective type, true, false, fill in the blanks, match the column, etc. So it may come from inside also. So go through the chapter seriously and you can get the answer of those objective questions. So I am telling you again that you have to go through. All the important terms you have to remember because it will come in the exam. The email of the recipient CC field are visible to each. That means if you send the CC copy, then everybody can see to whom you have sent. But when you send the BCC blind carbon copy, that fields are not visible to each other. Only to whom you have sent he or she can see. BCC is used when an email is sent to a long list people to protect the privacy of the recipient. That means when you want to send a long list, so many pupils, you use BCC. That means everybody cannot see. Okay? You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Enter to send an email. Now get smarter. If you save draft an email but want to send it later, you click close button. The email gets saved in draft. That means suppose you have entered, but that moment you don't want to send the email, it will be you click the close button and it will be saved in draft. Open the mail draft folder and click send. Next time you can send it. Next, attaching file. How you will attach? Suppose you have written and you want to attach any picture or any card or any other documents, then on the toolbar click the attach file. This clip sign will be available. To open the dialog box appears as shown in figure 1.4. Select the file you want to attach, open, then you have to click all the list of the files will appear, then you have to click and then open. Okay, it will be attached. Replying and forwarding the email. Suppose you received an email, you want to reply, open the email you want to send and reply, click the reply icon, type your message and click the send button. Directly you open and reply and send. You don't have to type the address of the recipient because reply button, this icon will send it to that person. When you reply an email, you do not have to type the recipient email. It is automatically shown in the to box. Forward. Forward also, open the email and there is more option icon and click the forward. In to box, enter the required email address and type the required message and send. That means if you got one message and you want to forward it, then you have to click the forward button and enter the email address and you send it. Now adding signature. That means at the end of the letter, always we give one signature. So what happens? While writing letters, you write your name at the end. Similarly, you can add an email signature at the end of an email message. An email signature is a block of text that shows your name and contact information. A signature can also contain a hyperlink or an image. When you set a signature, it is automatically appended at the end of your message. If you want to reply all recipients of the email, click on the more button and icon and reply all. If you, here I told you to reply, that means you will click that reply button, but if you want to reply all the persons, then you have to write reply to all. Now, how to add the signature? On the Gmail page, from the setting drop-down list, click Settings. The setting page appears as shown in figure 1.5. Scroll the page down. The No Signature Radio button is selected by default. Click on the radio button. That means a small button like this type of button. It is called radio button. In the text area, enter the signature you want to set. The format of the signature text, bold, italic or underline, or change the color on the toolbar from this type of groups. Click the required button. To add a hyperlink or image of your signature from the dash group, click the required button. To insert the signature in your email, select the Insert this signature before quoted text is replies or removes line that proceed it checkbox. Scroll the page down and save the changes. The signature appears in the message box when you compose a new mail, reply and forward or receive email. Up to here there are 4 fill in the blanks. Do it in your copy or book. Gmail provides a free storage of 15 GB per account. Do it. Gmail provides a free storage of 15 GB per account. To access Gmail, you should first create a Google account. Gmail allows attachment of up to 25 MB in an email, and you need to click the compose button to write a new mail. Now, searching for an email. When you have an email in your inbox, searching the required email can be a difficult task. Gmail provides a search bar to search for an email. You can search email from all the 3 tabs. To search an email. To search an email in the inbox folder, click the search bar. Type few words of the email you want to search for. You can also type the name of the sender or his or her email ID. That means you have to write the email ID. Click the search button. The search result appears. Click on the required email. This is for practical, this time for action. Now, see, fill in the blanks. The primary tab contains emails from your friends, families and colleagues. The CC recipient are the people who will be able to see the email address of other recipients of the same email. And signature is a block of text that appears at the end of an email message. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. To add a file to an email, you need to click the attachment button on the toolbar. State true or false. Gmail allows sharing large files using Google Drive. True. The Gmails of recipients in the CC field are not visible to others. That is false, because CC is visible. Email signature are automatically appended at the beginning of the message. It is false, because it is at the end of the message. BCC is used when an email is sent to a long list of recipients. It is true. You cannot compose a new mail while accessing inbox. That is false. So students, fill in the blanks false, and make side also. It will come because all will be object question. It will fill in the blanks, true, false, match the column, or one word answer. Here match the following: primary, emails from your friends, family and colleagues. Social, emails from social networks. Promotions, emails from marketing discount, such as discount, deals and offers. Draft, email saved that can be sent later, and new message, create and send an email. Okay. Chapter 1, I revised and told you that 1 and 2 will come in the exam. This is chapter 2. It is also manipulating images using GIMP. You got it, you learned. I think I hope you have learned, and remember few important things that may come as a objective question, like here GNU, image manipulating program, short form is GIMP. Here how to start the step. Creating new file. Here see, checkpoint, how many standard windows are available within the main GIMP window? That is 3. Which of the following are orientation options? Orientation means page orientation, that is portrait and landscape. Which tool is used to remove unwanted areas of the color from an image? That is eraser tool. And which keyboard key will be used to activate the scissors select tool? That is I key. Okay. Now here fill in the blanks. The layer signature structure for currently opened image is shown in layers section. The template contains predefined values for creating a new image file. The R key is used to activate rectangle select tool. The fill tool is used to fill the selected area of your image with the current foreground color. The Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut is used to save the file. True and false. The toolbox window contains icons of different tools. That is true. The F keyboard key is used to activate Fuji select tool. False. Text tool is one of the selection tool. False. To use eraser tools, Shift+E used. True. The foreground and background color palettes is available in the toolbox. True. Here the match the following. Ctrl+S, you know it, saves file. Shift plus E, erase, activate the eraser tool. Control plus O opens the open image dialog box. Shift plus O activate by color tools. Activate select by color tools, and Control N open the create a new image dialog box. So students, I think you have understand, but listen here, I noticed that you have not joined in Google Classroom, but if you not join in the classroom, you are unable to appear in the PT1 exam. So be hurry and join in Google Classroom. Okay? So today is up to here. Thank you for joining the class.